Before starting setup, make sure the legs of the table are locked and that the linen is even all around. Begin with deciding where you will be putting the plates. Take into consideration flow of traffic. Where will the guests be coming from and where will the line form? For this video, we will assume guests are coming from the left. Retrieve the crate and place it on the left side of the table. This will provide height and containment for the plates. Then, add your other pieces of decor. Here, we have black wooden candlesticks and pillar candles. Next, you want to add the black metal risers for the bowls for the components of the salad, the chair or stool as your other element of height, and the basket for rolls or bread. Not every party will have the bread included in the salad station, which means you will have more room to work with for the bowls. But for this setup, we will be assuming that bread and butter is included in the station. The bread can go inside the basket and spill out onto the table. Next, begin putting out the plates. For this, we will be using 8-inch salad plates, but plates may differ from party to party, so be sure to refer to the checklist for the correct plates for your station. Do as many stacks as you need to put out all the plates, putting the stacks inside, in front, and on top of the crate if needed. You can always adjust the stacks if more room is required for the rest of the station. Make sure the stacks in the back are taller than the stacks in front as to prevent guests from knocking them over when reaching for one. Then you can begin figuring out your spacing for the bowls. Almost all of our salads are done so that every component is separate and has its own bowl. For this, I am setting it up to be for a traditional Caesar salad, which has 5 main components, so 5 bowls. But the salad may be different at parties, so check in with the chefs to see how many bowls you will need. The largest bowl is always for the greens, in this case romaine lettuce, and the other bowls are for the toppings and dressings. Bowls can be square and wavy as shown, or round. Refer to the checklist for the correct type of bowl. You will also need a small rectangular tray for the butter for the bread. You also need to put out the proper serving utensils for each bowl. The greens in the largest bowl will have tongs, the toppings will need large serving spoons, the dressings will need a Z-ladle, and the butter will need butter knives. You can then take the forks out of the bag and line them up in the chair as shown. Lastly, be sure to have a stack of napkins for the end of the table. Once complete, take the bowls back into the kitchen and the chefs will fill them for you.